You're irritating me. Okay, take off from Lagos to Johannesburg. It's gonna be overpowered. Oh, that's so cool. Hello, we're going actually quite fast. Probably like 642 kilometers an hour. Okay, tell me the question you wanted to ask me. Ella?
You know those two planes?
They're called 747s.
They're the 747s with the double deckers.
Yeah.
But then, I'm just really
Confused to what?
how come there's an 880 and they're double deckers?
Runway in sight. We can actually see the runway. We can see the runway. It's a little bit bumpy because we're Lagos and we're departing our way out. Oh, that's nice. Okay, time for takeoff. That is Muratala Muhammad in the background over there. And that's the runway. We're taking off runway 18 left. I mean 18 right, what am I saying? Okay, this is my favorite part. No one can ever be scared in their life. Okay, getting ready for the thrust procedure. Okay, and just like a few weeks ago to 6 weeks ago I recorded, but we landed. This time we're taking off. Okay, ready for takeoff? A330-300 flight SA61 to Johannesburg, Rolls-Royce Tarrant 700, engines, takeoff procedure, thrust procedure set up to 65%, 45%, 50%, takeoff thrust set, 75%, N1, roll, 40 knots, 80 knots, 100 knots, V1, VR, rotate, chemtrails, positive climb, gear up. Airplanes are amazing, and this is Lagos. The landing gear is just being retracted. You can see Lagos. Wow. And let's see if we can see Third Mainland Bridge. This is why I love airplanes. It's all a procedure you've got to follow. And it's not even that hard. This is no, that's not Third Mainland Bridge. We're gonna get to it now. You can see Muratala behind. Goodbye, Lagos. Hello, Johannesburg. Flaps up. Flaps up to 1. That is Lagos. Flaps retracted. Okay, we're gonna push down a bit. We're gonna pull up. Don't know what that is. And yes, just look at this beautiful view of Lagos. And Third Mainland Bridge is somewhere over there. I can guess it. This is Lagos, Nigeria. Is there a bit of clouds? There's clouds. No, go away, clouds. We don't want you. bridge over there. There's the third mainland bridge, Ella. It's there. Never mind.
Oh, I can see now.
Third mainland bridge. It's a little foggy up here. No clouds, go away. I want to see the Akoi Bridge. Clouds, no, don't be mean. Don't cloud. Oh, that's great. That's nice. This is just amazing. Less reduction of power. And we got hours before we go. Goodbye, Lagos. I've done this so many times. So familiar to me. And look at the new bridge.
Oh, I can see it.
Can we see Federal Palace?
To the house.
I can see I think I can get Federal Palace in there. New bridge. Look at the ships that come into Lagos via Lagos. Okay, I'm not going to video too much. Just see the island of Lagos. That looks so OP. That's our house over there. You obviously won't be able to see it, but that's where we live. Lekki Phase 1. Okay guys, this is going to be coming